Hi.
Hey, so we are putting William's mirror on, being very, very careful because the painter did an amazing job. Very gently. Let me get a stubby screwdriver. Come on, tighten up, tighten up. God, these screws are long. Good.
You know, that's on the car. That's an incredible match.
Yeah, it is. They did a great job. They really did.
That's beautiful.
Yep. So now to get my...
Monkey fingers of it?
Yeah.
Looks good though.
It came out really good.
I'm happy with it.
Oh, yeah. So, on that note, William, ta-da!
Yay! Mirror's fixed.